Hi, thank you for jumping on Rehab and Revive's channel to address your postural dysfunction, concerns, and needs. Forward shoulders, crooked back, tight necks. A lot of these are the symptoms of poor posture. Now, what comprises of poor posture? Sometimes it's the ability to hold yourself in space. Sometimes it's just lack of awareness of where you need to be so that you're efficient and safe. Our job at Rehab and Revive is to address the whole person, whether it's the demands of being at a desk job, the demands of being a carpenter, or someone that just wants to garden safely. We need to do the right things, such as strengthen and stabilize and adjust your strategies so you can have safe and proper posture going forward. So we're excited that you considered us for your postural dysfunction needs. I'm Dr. Lin. Remember, we heal smarter, not harder.